Hey guys, I like feeding and petting animals. Today I'm gonna make a bird feeder. Before that, let's go to Virginia Safari Park. It's a drive-through safari adventure. It's really a great place for the entire family. Here all the animals are friendly and they come right up to our car window. Feeding giraffes are one of the main attractions here. Let's meet giraffes. They're the tallest animals. They love to eat lettuce. Lettuce are available here so we can buy them and feed them. They run towards us when they see us. For feeding giraffe, park has a platform that brings you to the eye level with giraffe. We can touch them on their head. They're so lovable. He's really enjoying the food. Now let's go and meet other animals. See, all the animals are freely roaming here. They come and meet us. Oh, he's waiting for us. We can feed him. Hey, did you like the food? Look over there, lots of animals. I think they're taking a rest. Maybe they're tired of meeting lots of people. Also, it's a very sunny day. Oh God, who's this? He scared me. Just kidding. See, this guy's checking who all are there in our car. How is this bird? He looks so cute. I hope these animals are happy to see us. Hey, move, move, you're blocking our car. Let us go. These animals are so understandable because if we don't give food, they'll just move away. They don't have any complaints. He came to see me. We both are looking at each other. I think he liked me a lot. Wow, this is the penguins' pool. All the penguins are playing in the water. Penguins spend around half of their time in water and half of their time on land. Now let's feed the birds. This is my favorite part. We can feed these gentle and colorful birds. They're known as budgie. Budgie feeding sticks are available in park for feeding them. They love to play with us. They sit on our head, shoulder, hands. These animals really talk to us in their language. Do you know animals' language? Then comment down below how you learned it. Sadly, I don't know their language. Seems like they're greeting us, or asking our names, or asking how are you, or what food we brought for them. I think the last one is the more chance. What do you think? See, this guy's checking who all are in the back seat. He's not moving. I think he wanted to come with us. Do you see these gigantic turtles? Here we can pet even snakes. Now it's time to go home. Let's start making the bird feeder. It's from the Home Depot. Instructions are here. We just have to follow it. I'll show you once I finish this work. Now the bird feeder is ready. I give green, pink, and yellow. I don't know if birds like these colors. Do you know which color birds like? Comment down below. Now we can put some bird food and wait for the birds. Let them enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Bye!